Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I want to do a little work in my December daily. I am not going to be 100% dedicated to doing something every single day. I just want to do some holiday crafting, do some experimenting, and try and do some of the things that I've been wanting to do and just hadn't had a chance to do. So this is my holiday planner. It is an altered composition notebook. I have been planning in it for the month of October, November, and now December. I will have my holiday list in here, which I have not started working on. I'm just behind. I know y'all get tired of hearing that, but I'm going to go ahead and start on these pages now. So I had saved a how to make waterfall pages in a notebook video or reel that I saw on Instagram. I'll try and link to it in the description box below so you can check it out. So that is what I am attempting today. Now, in the video, she used sticker washi, but I don't have any sticker washi that would be long enough to fit this. I could have made my own, but why would I do that when I have a whole box of Christmas washi right here that I only get to use once a year? So I'm going to use my Christmas washi and try to make this happen. I have a brand new blade here that I'm going to use. You can use an X-Acto knife or whatever type of blade you use for paper crafting or trimming. I don't know if you could use a paper trimmer. You probably could, but I'm just going to go with the blade. Well, I can't even get in here. And then I also have a cutting mat. I wish it was a little bigger, but that's going to have to do. I got that cutting mat from Dollar Tree. And as far as I know, they still sell them in Dollar Tree. Okay. So this was recommended by Genevieve Designs. I think that's why I bought this one. So let's see how it goes. They do sell these at Dollar Tree, or they used to. I don't know if they still do. I haven't seen them. But they're a little more flimsy, but they still work. I used the ones that I had until I didn't have any more blades left. They came two to a pack. Like I said, I don't know if they still sell them or not. All right, so what I have done, this tab is where I wanted my December daily stuff to begin. I'll probably put something here. I tipped in the vellum. This will be my first page, my title page of some sort, I think. And then we will start with the days. And I've gone through and numbered them. I also glued 2 pages together with a glue stick. I didn't do a very good job, as you can see here. Plus glue sticks well, it did stick. It's just that I didn't put enough glue. So if you're using a glue stick, make sure you use a generous amount of the glue. But I was just rushing through the pages, so I can touch them up, and some of that may get cut off. So I don't know how I want to do this because I don't want pages to be too short, but I also feel like if I'm going to be decorating pages for December daily, I don't need all of this space. So doing this waterfall thing is going to gradually change the spacing for me. So I'm going to go all the way to page 25. And I figured I might kind of do these in half. This was an accident, so it's just going to be an extra page. I accidentally put the glue on that page and I didn't need to. So let's find page 25. So that's here. I think I'm going to leave this one the full size. So how does this go? Okay, so I'll put the washi tape that I want here. So what do I want for Christmas Day? This one. Merry Christmas. So this is going to be a long process. I don't know if I'm going to make y'all suffer through this with me. But this is probably something I should have did for a live stream, I guess. I need some color behind this. Let's try this. So I can make sure that I get it right up to the edge of the page. I'm going to do this like this. So then for the next page, I would trim the width of that washi tape off. So I'm just going to mark it and mark it. And I've never done this. So, oh, and I do need a metal ruler. Now I'm going to move the washi tape so you won't be able to see that, but I need space. All right. So I'm going to place this at an angle. All right. I could use the Tim Holtz ruler. It does have the metal bar. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna line it up with my tick marks. That's hopefully where the washi is. Take the blade and trim. Okay. So there's that page. All right, so then the next page, which is the 24th, pick a washi. I won't be using these since Santa, I think I'll use the Santa belt. Which one should I use? I think this one is the better choice, but then that's going to be two reds next to each other. I knew it was going to be a bit of a decision to make. Let's use the green. We'll use Santa's belt somewhere else. All right, so the next page, and I guess I could trim these off, but I don't want to yet. Not yet. I'll get to it. All right. So let's hold these out of the way. Put down the washi, and then I can also come back and put washi on the other side as well. Should the words go this way or in? Okay, after consulting the original video, I am going to make the words face inside like I was doing. So let's see if we can get this to lay down straight. This washi is starting to lose its stick. So next page. This is going to take some time and effort. So let's mark where that washi is. Where that washi is, you could draw the line. I think she draws the line in the video, but I don't want to. I think I can use my ruler to line it up. If you feel like you need to draw the line, draw the line. Okay. I probably should, and especially if you're cutting with scissors and not a blade, definitely draw the line. Okay. So I'm thinking these are called Waterfall Tabs. I'm thinking that doing 25 of these at these widths, it's going to be too much. So, and I think I might have the page overlap a little bit of the washi so that when it's laying out like this, it's not any white space in between. It's kind of a little white space showing up there. All right, so what's next? Let's see. I want to grab out the ones that I definitely want to use. I want to use this, the fa la 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 la. I want to use this one with my red trucks. I kind of want to use this one. Oh, that's pretty, but I don't know if I want to use it. Let's get some of this Simply Gilded in on this. That's more wintry. Oh, gotta use this. Gotta use the buffalo plaid. Gotta use the drip. Let's use a regular plaid. All right, that's enough to get me started and have some in the way. That's for later. Let's do the red truck on this page. Well, I guess I could just use Let's get rid of the paper. I think I can use the cutting mat for my contrast. For some reason, feels like I should be having these face the outside. But for this one, I'm going to have it face the inside because of the snow. It looks nicer up against the white paper, I think. So I guess hopefully you see the concept. I am going to go ahead and do the rest of these, and then I will be back. Hopefully all goes well. Wish me luck. Alrighty, I'm back and I'm done. So what has happened is that I ended up doing 3 waterfalls because I was starting to lose too much page space. So this is what it's looking like from the top. Okay. And I think I got better at it as I went along. So let's start. So this is the beginning. Still have to do my title page. And I'll probably do something with washi, definitely. Then this is page 1. So I probably have some little bits and pieces on the pages still. So this would be day 1. And I think I'm going to come back on the opposite page and do the same washi tape along the edge. But it was just taking so long and I wanted to go ahead and finish this video. So when you see it, it'll probably have a matching washi on the other side. I think that will look better. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So this is day 2, teeny tiny. And then here we go at day 3. 4, 5. Yeah, it's definitely going to look better when I put the washi on the other side. 6, 7. It's really cool. 8, 9, 10. Then it switches to the other side. So we're going back down the waterfall. So 11, 12, 13, 14. So this will be fun to play around with. And then this was the extra page. So it ended up in the middle there. And then we go back down the waterfall again. And so, yeah. So I'm going to stop. I don't know why on these corners you can see the white a little bit because I did round the corners. But I don't know. I don't really see it that much on the other pages. But that is what happened. Okay. And I still need to go back and touch up the glue. And then I have all of these pages in the back to do with whatever. Well, not a whole lot. I got what? 4 pages? 4 extra pages. Okay. So, but I think that's really cool. It took quite a while to do, and I have to spend some more time on it, adding the washi on the reverse side. But I think that should go pretty quickly since I've already done all the cutting and rounding and figuring out how I want the pages to lay. So I think this is the coolest part of it. But then I think I did a better job choosing the washis for this section of it. So let me know what you think in the comments. This was really a lot of fun to do. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.